Journey begins with a view of the IMS DIA building, an architectural symbol of innovation. Enter through the grand entrance, a space designed to inspire brilliance. The energy flows into the classroom, where young creators discuss, design and dream. Explore the garments construction lab, where every stitch tells a story, and the CAD lab, where digital ideas take shape. In the gemology and weaving lab, beauty and precision come together. The dyeing and printing lab dazzles with vibrant experiments, while the 3D printing prototyping lab turns bold concepts into reality. Venture into the organic design lab and the cutting-edge AR/VR lab, where the real and virtual merge seamlessly. The metalsmithing lab showcases unmatched craftsmanship, while the VFX studio and the editing studio bring storytelling to life. From the serene library to the dynamic ceramics lab, creativity knows no limits. The seminar hall hosts moments of inspiration, and the cafeteria provides a perfect spot to relax and connect. As our journey comes full circle, IMS DIA stands tall, an incubator for ideas and a catalyst for innovation. This is IMS DIA, a world of possibilities crafted by passion and powered by imagination.